The mer-pups are about to release the golden orbs to kick off the opening of the museum exhibit.
Eddie.
Oh no, you should never.
Let's buckle up.
The giant ship. Marshall, look out! I guess I'm exhibiting my clumsiness.
Seatbelts so we can be safe.
Aqua pups, ready for action, riders, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. Robo-dog, plot a course for Puplantis. Hi, Skye and Coral.
Moby has going.
Coral.
Coral is a combination of Puplantis. Moby is taking the whale tail. Maybe your cousins. Hey, Ryder, pups. Like this. Whoa! Aqua pups, ready for action, Ryder, sir. To the hoys and down. Gru removes, your highness. Wow, look at that! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Great! If everyone can attach them to the sub, the whale patroller can pups alike. Maybe your cousins. That will be fantastic. Here they come. Moby. News forever. News time. We have news.
Squids can change colors. McSquidly, tell your big friend, nice work. Now let's double back and find a different way to Puplantis. Hi, how are things in Puplantis? All good, Ryder. The mer-pups are about to release the golden orbs to kick off the opening of the museum exhibit. Cool, but Mommy and the giant squid are on their way to you, so keep a careful watch. Roger that, Ryder. I don't see it. The squid is here, Ryder. It's huge and fast. They're releasing the orbs. Great. If this squid can grab them all, the extravaganza will be ruined. Look at all the pretty gold orbs. They are very focused. I'm out of the race. One down. Skye and Coral.
I do have a harness.
It's working.
Thanks, Aqua Pups. I collided when I was confused by a cloud of ink.
A cloud of ink.
Utterly unexpected. But now my diving bell is decently dinged and done for. I'm out of the race.
The race! Skye and Coral, you both still have a chance to win.
Skye and Coral! Come on, cousin.
Look, Skye and Coral are... Thanks, Ryder. Come on, cousin. Look, Skye and Coral are catching up to Kelp and Mary Goodway. Yes! Coral are catching up to Kelp and Mary Goodway. Yes!
Let's clap for the mer-pups. Clap with us. Yay! You are incredible. Thanks for all.
Faster, Coral. We can do this. You're a zippy mer-pup. Look, Skye and Coral are catching up to Kelp and Mary Goodway. Yes, right. On down we go. I'm gonna win.
Goodbye, Canterbit.
No more celebration.
See you later, Canterbit. Thank you. Thanks, Chickaletta. Bye, Chickaletta. Thank you.